kids. In today's surprise episode for Ryan, we just bought the Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited. Wow, look at that, dude. It's so cool. It has like 3 ramps, like circle loops. Look, it has 3 loops, and then it goes through here, and then it jumps, and then it wow, dude. And it falls into a little cup right here. Look at that. You can do it 2 ways. You can do it 3 ways. This is 1 way, and then this one, and then this one. And guess what? We're gonna build it because you can build, boost, and stun. So we're gonna have fun with Super Ryan right here. Yes. What happened, Ryan? What's that? You scratch. You wanna say hi to your friends? No, say hi to your friends. Say hi. Hi, friends.
Look.
Oh, it has an easy.
What?
It has an easy open. You open it real easy. So right now, we're gonna do a review on this toy. It's from Hot Wheels, the Track Builder. And we're gonna do a review on it, so stay tuned. We're gonna do the unboxing. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna play with it and share it to our friends on YouTube. And we got all Ryan's Hot Wheels here. Ryan's ready. Look at that. Let me see. Oh, dude, you got all your Hot Wheels ready.
I want more.
Ryan wants more Hot Wheels.
Can I put that one?
We're not really fans of Hot Wheels.
I got 2. I got the Famous Flaming Queen and the Gale.
We're more into the cars. But we're gonna do a review on the Hot Wheels.
Look.
What is that, buddy?
Hot Wheels.
Alright, so here's an easy open. It's right here. You build, you boost, and you stun. You build and rebuild your track builder system. Look at that. That's so cool, dude.
I built a big track.
Oh, we build a big track?
Yes.
Very good. Open it. Excited! We got Super right here, excited.
Get the hammer. Look! That's the rope. Look!
What's that?
Track. It don't come. Where this goes?
So here's the instructions. How to build it.
Look!
Instruction right here. That's a big circle.
Big this. What?
That's a big circle, Ryan.
What?
What color is a big circle?
Orange.
What color is this?
Orange.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, this is orange. That's what?
That orange.
That's red.
No, it's orange.
No,
Yeah.
this is orange, dude.
No. This is red.
Okay, so what's next, dude?
Look, a big tower.
Super Ryan's tower.
Look. That's big. Look.
Okay, so now.
What? Look. Look, Daddy. Look, carry it.
Yeah, you're gonna be carrying it to everywhere with it. You're gonna play with it. What happened? Who's gonna win? Oh no! Ooh. I'm gonna win. I'm the faster one and ever. Ka-chap.
That one says ka-chap.
Oh no! You hit the camera, dudes.
Wait, let's crack this.
Hot Wheels, the Track Builder Unlimited.
Like that. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a so much in there.
Oh no! Go. No! It's hard to make it, dude. So we're done doing the review for the Hot Wheels Track Builder, and we did assembly number 1. We're gonna finish the video, and that's it, kids. Stay tuned for our next video. We're posting daily videos, and tomorrow's video it's probably gonna be a Lonnie McQueen video tomorrow. So Ryan, did you like your toy, Ryan? You like your new toy? Do you give it a thumbs up? Thumbs up? Okay, he likes the toy. So, good job, Hot Wheels. You did a good job with this toy. It's awesome. I like it. Even me, I like it. So, stay tuned for our next video. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Good job.